Bridges are more than just steel and concrete. They are the arteries of our cities and nations. They connect communities, carry goods, and allow millions of people to travel to work and school every single day. Think about it. Without bridges, our world would be a collection of isolated islands. They are silent heroes in our daily lives, standing strong against wind, rain, and the constant weight of traffic. But for how long? Many of the bridges we rely on are getting old. They face challenges from changing weather patterns and increasing loads. This is why engineers today are not just building bridges. They are building bridges for the future. They are designing structures that are not only stronger but also smarter, built to last for generations to come. These future-proof bridges are a new kind of marvel. The secret to building bridges that last lies in the materials we use. For centuries, engineers relied on steel and concrete. While strong, these materials have weaknesses. Steel can rust, and concrete can crack under pressure and wear. Today, a new generation of materials is changing the game. Scientists have developed self-healing concrete, which contains tiny capsules that release a special sealant when a crack forms, effectively repairing the damage on its own. Another exciting innovation is the use of fiber-reinforced polymers, or FRPs. These are composite materials that are incredibly strong yet lightweight. They are also resistant to corrosion, which is a major enemy of traditional steel bridges. Beyond the materials, smart technology is making our bridges intelligent. Engineers are now embedding a network of tiny sensors throughout the structure of new bridges. These sensors act like a nervous system for the bridge. They constantly monitor everything from stress and vibration to temperature and humidity. This data is then sent to a central computer system, where engineers can watch over the bridge's health 24/7. When we hear the term AI-proof, we might think of something that can resist a robot attack from a movie. But in engineering, it means something very different and much more practical. An AI-proof bridge is a structure designed to be so fundamentally robust, simple, and durable that its safety does not depend on complex, fallible artificial intelligence systems. Think of it like this. A well-built ship is designed to be buoyant and stable because of its shape and construction. That is its core strength. It may also have advanced navigation and radar systems, which are very helpful. But if those electronic systems fail in a storm, the ship's fundamental design is what keeps it afloat. This philosophy does not reject technology. In fact, it uses technology in the smartest way possible.